Shooter stand by. Contact.
Fire away. Yeah. SKS was given to me by my granddad. That's how I got it.
Gonna jump no more.
Not again. Not again. Not again. Not again. Oh shit, my hands are shaking. You see, kids, this is what happens when you have an old rifle with piece of crap stripper clips. It doesn't want to load. It's not loading. Come on. Don't fail me now, baby.
In other words, he's just retarded.
In other words, yes, that is also true, but that is not the reason. It's that these stripper clips are junk.
Don't listen
Yes.
to him. He's retarded.
This is my channel, kids, believe me. Put it in the slot. Lift up on the first round. There you go. And he said I was not smart.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, bad part about old holsters, it gets in the way. If this were a drop leg, this would be a lot better. Come on. Come on.
Watch him struggle like the retard he is.
Alright, there we go. Now I can shoot. Ugh, gotta find my frickin' mag button.
Everyone look at how retarded he is.
Yeah, at least I have a Beretta.
That's fair. You don't need to be smart when you have a gun.
And I kind of am, in the manner that I don't get people shot that are on my team.
Say that like I would. Now look at the camera and say you're a retard.
I'm a little bit weird.
Good boy.